Alright, hello everybody, and greetings from the city of Lomita. We are on our way right now to visit another Wash Weekly location. Now, some of you might remember when I visited their site in Long Beach, which had the 3 Broadway systems. This one, according to Street View and a tip from users SoCal Car Washes and more, has 2 Broadway all-cloth systems. And just like I did with the other one, we're going to do one at the highest package and one at the lowest package. I started the camera a little bit early because I really don't know where I'm going besides what Google Maps is telling me. I'm also, you can tell I'm not familiar with this area. And when this weekend's car wash trip is over, we're going to be talking like a 100-mile round trip for car washes in this area. So I'll go ahead and start up the camera again when we get closer, and we'll see what we have waiting for us. Alright, so it's going to be somewhere here on the right. Oh, there it is, right there. There it is, right there. And it looks like the tip was accurate. We have 2 Broadway all-cloth systems. Looks like we got American changer pay stations on this one. Before we pay, as I look at the machine, looks pretty much exactly identical to the other one, except you can kind of see it through the mirror curtains that we actually have Broadway dryers. The other one I had, I don't know what those were, but those weren't Broadway. And we got a $5 deluxe, $7 super, $9 supreme, and a $12 double wash. Okay. It says someone already put $5 in the machine. Okay, well, I guess our wash is already half paid for, so that's cool. I have some cash. I'll go ahead and get that started real quick. I have exact change here because I'm not sure if this thing has change in it. This one doesn't look like it has the voice, doesn't sound like it has the voice enabled. Really? Okay, I guess that worked. Oh, it canceled my selection for some reason. I'm not sure, it doesn't say which way to insert it, and I wasn't paying attention. Alright, just one more dollar. There you go. Please drive in. Thank you. Alright. Let's head in and do this. This is my 5th Broadway machine, so this ought to be interesting. So the cloth strips don't all retract, just like the other one. So it's kind of hard to see the arrow. Very good. What's weird is it just occurred to me. Okay, wow. That was an intense start, just like the other one. These really don't sway back and forth all that fast. Oh, and just like the other one, you actually have colored brushes, which, according to some people I found on YouTube, is rare. You know, these kind of remind me of Autech Evolution systems. I'm going to guess that this is a competitor. Obviously, since this isn't made by Autech. I don't know why the cloth strips are swaying very, very slowly. I'm guessing that the motors are going out, or maybe it's like that on purpose. I really don't know. Alright, I guess we're going back now. I also just realized, I know I'm late to realize, but the other Wash Weekly location capped out at 14. This one only capped out at 12, so I wonder why. Oh, you see, now they're swinging at the speed they're supposed to. I don't know why they didn't before. That must have been an intentional programming thing. All right, we got the exit light. Now let's do the rinse and drying. Get about 70 seconds of dryer time. I ran out of dryer time on the on spot free rinse time. That's kind of stingy. Drying on the front is not very good. And there's someone waiting behind me, so I can't back up. Got about 35 seconds of dryer time left. I really want to focus the drying on the back part because you know, didn't get a spot for your rinse back there. Okay, that's good. I think we're going to be good to exit the range. Oh, I forgot to mention it before, but the car was actually pretty dirty. I hadn't washed it in a while on purpose in preparation for this video. So why don't we head out here in this bay and check out the results. So drying quality on the sides is like, it's kind of got little bits of water left here, but on the sides otherwise seems, on this side seems pretty good. Yeah, this looks pretty nice. There was a lot of crap here on the side from all the driving I've done to work, so, and it looks like that's all gone. The windshield was pretty dirty too, but I'm guessing that if that's spot free water, this isn't going to be an issue. That's relatively solid for $12. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do the bottom wash on the other one in a separate video. So that's it for this one. Thank you for watching, and that is it.